Right, we're over on the Walker lathe. This is a very quick tip on an alternative method of holding small round bar stock. If you watch my channel, you know I do an awful lot of model steam engine work, and I quite often have to turn very small diameter, particularly brass bar down. Now, as you know, I'm a confirmed convert to using collets on the lathe, thanks to my friend Rob over on the Zanudu channel. And as you can see at the moment, the lathe has both an ER40 collet chuck plate on the headstock, and it's got an ER32 chuck in the tailstock. Now, my ER32 collet set only goes down to 3mm. I wasn't aware that you could get them smaller than that, but apparently, according to Rob, they do go down to 1mm, which would do me nicely, because quite often I am turning bar down to that kind of size. However, I already have a perfectly good set of ER16 collets. There we go. The yellow ones are metric and the purple cap ones are imperial. They get down to 1mm and 1/8. They're ideal. I use them all the time on the Sherline mill. So I was thinking, well, I could get some more ER32 collets, but I've already got all these, and these are only cheap Chinese set, but they're great. They do the job fine. So I thought, well, maybe I could utilise those on the lathe. So I did a bit of research online and discovered that you can buy these little ER16 collet chucks relatively cheaply. I think this one cost me about £6. The body has a 22mm diameter, and it's perfect for fitting in an ER40 collet chuck. So this is my ER40 collet chuck plate. It's got a 21-22mm collet in there, rather, and that fits in there just nice. Do this up. Oh, it's a bit loose. There we go. And you're good to go. It works really well. Another interesting use of this is that not only obviously can I utilise all my ER16 collets in this, which is just great, but also you've just got better access because the ER16 collet nut is so small. You know, if this was in an ER32, it would be out. The nut would be right out here somewhere. You know, so this just gives you a lot of better access, and it just works superbly. So if you happen to have a set of ER16 collets, these little chucks, as I said, collet blocks are extremely cheap, and it just makes it a very easy way to utilise your ER16 collets on the lathe. So there you go. Hope you found it useful. Cheers.